The program helps students to master the knowledge and skill set in the specialist discipline and prepare both business and non-business students for a career in marketing and international business. A high-quality education experience is guaranteed, as the program is fully accredited under the AACSB scheme. It applies an outcome-based approach to learning, meaning that all assessments are well-designed with realistic and useful content to help students achieve the intended learning outcomes. The program is the only taught postgraduate studies available in Hong Kong that offers students with hands-on work experience when undertaking a year-long consulting project under notable companies' sponsorship.
The consulting project is a significant component of our program. It integrates the theory with hands-on experience in real business setting. Under the supervision of supervisors, students will work in team on an assigned kind project. In the process, they can learn how to address the challenge and the problem faced by the company in Hong Kong and also mainland China.
Based on the liberal arts education philosophy of the Lingnan University, the MSc-MIB program focuses on personal development, meaning that each student is assigned with his or her own personal academic advisor at the beginning of the study. And this one-to-one coaching is very unique and valuable in itself, and probably the only one among all taught postgraduate degrees available in Hong Kong. It enables each student to discuss and resolve any adaptation problems, study and career planning issues with his or her own advisor.
I enjoy this program, especially the consulting project, because it helps me to get closer to the real-world business and gain practical skills. I think learning at Lingnan would be the best choice to enhance my knowledge, and I think it's a valuable memory in my life.
Because I think consulting projects connected the academic knowledge well with real business world, and I think it is beneficial for my further career development. Besides professional marketing knowledge, it also offers me a platform for teamwork, and I can learn to negotiate well with real business partners.